Lakes, mountains, and coast offer some of the most spectacular hiking trails. But let's not forget about waterfalls. Offering so many incredible treks with endless photo opportunities, here are 5 most beautiful waterfalls in the world. Number 1. Platewise Falls, Croatia. Named a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1979, Platewise Lakes National Park in Croatia is the country's most popular tourist destination. With nearly 1 million visitors every year, Platewise Falls consists of a series of waterfalls from 16 different lakes. Number 2. Niagara Falls, Canada and USA. Located on the border of both Canada and the United States, the Niagara Falls are both impressively long and high. Most people aren't aware of the fact that the falls are actually made up of 3 different waterfalls: the American Falls, the Bridal Veil Falls, and the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. For a leisurely family stroll, the Niagara Recreation Trails takes between 1 to 2 hours for each section. So remember to pack a backpack full of snacks and water. Number 3. Iguazu Falls, Argentina and Brazil. Experience the thundering sound of the Iguazu Falls located on the Argentinian-Brazilian border. Consisting of 375 cascades, the Iguazu Falls is considered the largest waterfall in the world. It was also declared as one of the new 7 Wonders of Nature in 2011. Number 4. Victoria Falls, Zambia. Widely considered as one of the most beautiful waterfalls around the world, Victoria Falls has been attracting tourists for years. However, tourist numbers have dwindled amid the fears that the waterfall is dying up. But local authorities insist that although they have experienced a drop in water levels, the waterfall is not in danger of vanishing just yet. Number 5. Banjok Dayton Falls, Vietnam and China. Arguably some of the most interesting waterfalls in Vietnam, the Banjok Dayton Falls are fed by the Khe Sanh River marking the Chinese border. Lush green forests line the backdrop to the falls, giving the appearance of a tropical paradise. Luckily, if you are staying in Haneo, this waterfall is pretty easy to get to. Jump on a bus and it will take you right where you need to be. Having said this, it's not recommended that you travel during the wet season. Instead, the best time to visit is between September and October to experience much calmer waters and more relaxed atmosphere. These were the 5 most beautiful waterfalls in the world. If you enjoy, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and see you in another top list.